Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add a Buisness Amro card to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Now tap the plus icon from the top right corner of the screen. Here, select debit or credit card, then tap continue. Before you proceed, make sure you have an Buisness Amro payment account, the latest version of the Buisness Amro app installed, and that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Also make sure you are signed in to iCloud with your Apple ID and connected to the internet. Now you can either scan your Buisness Amro card using your iPhone camera or tap enter card details manually. If you choose to enter the details manually, type in your cardholder name, card number, expiry date, and any other required information. Once you have entered the card details, tap next. Apple will now contact Buisness Amro to verify your card. Depending on your account settings, you may receive a verification code by text message or through the Buisness Amro app. Enter the verification code when prompted and complete the verification process. After the verification is successful, your Buisness Amro card will be added to Apple Pay. You may also be asked whether you want to make this card your default payment card. Choose the option you prefer. If you want to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and follow the same steps to add your Buisness Amro card. Once everything is set up, you can start making contactless payments with your iPhone by double pressing the side button, confirming with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and holding your device near the payment terminal. You can also use Apple Pay for purchases in apps, online stores, and websites that support Apple Pay. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.